Oi, Smithers, get over here, you muppet.
Yes, Mum. How can I help, Mum?
Right, I've just completed the first draft of my Christmas message. How's about you listen to me run it through and tell me whether or not it makes me sound like a pussy?
That would be most agreeable, Mum.
Good lad. OK, here we go. Hello, and Merry Christmas. This year has been tough for everyone. Economic worries, increased unemployment, and a continuing threat of terrorism have understandably given rise to feelings of insecurity. For those of you who are feeling anxious, I have got this Christmas message. Pull yourselves together, you fucking lightweights. I have been through billions of recessions, and I have never once lost my job. You know why? Positive mental attitude. Only the strongest survive in this world, so either toughen up or fuck off. So, if you've had a shitty year, just put in a bit more graft next year. You can use me as your inspiration if you like, because I've always given it 110%. And look what I'm doing now. Yeah, that's right. I'm the fucking Queen. Happy bloody Christmas. Well,
Your Majesty, it's...
Perfect. Yeah, I know. Right, sling your hook. Ah, Liz. You are a speech-writing legend.